Hey everyone, so is Notepad++ not opening on your computer? Maybe you click the app and nothing happens, or it briefly loads and then closes. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you use it for coding or quick text edits. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Notepad++ not opening problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes temporary system glitches prevent applications from launching properly, and a quick restart can fix the issue. Next, try running Notepad++ as an administrator. Right-click the application icon and select Run as Administrator. This allows the app to bypass certain permission restrictions. Sometimes the app is already running in the background but not responding. Open the Task Manager, look for Notepad++ in the process list, and end the task before launching it again. In some cases, antivirus software can block Notepad++ from opening. Temporarily disable your security software or add the app to the allowed list. If the problem continues, try reinstalling Notepad++. Uninstall the current version, then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. Another thing you can try is updating Windows. Sometimes outdated system files can cause apps to stop working properly. And that's it. Most Notepad++ launching problems can be fixed by restarting your computer, ending background processes, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.